Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 6 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about database migration. Migration are like version control for your database, allowing your team to easily modify and share the application database schema. Migration are typically paired with Laravel schema builder to easily build your application's database schema. So let's create a migration. Before creating a migration, go to the PHP myadmin, and here you can see there is no any table inside the Laravel ProDB database. Okay, so let's create a migration for the post table. So go to the command prompt, and here just type make migration artisan command. So type here php artisan make migration, then migration name, which is create post table. Okay, and dash create is equal to table name is post. Okay, now press enter. It's creating the migration. Okay, now migration is created inside the migration folder. So let's find the migration. So go to the project, and here click on database. Now click on migrations. You can see here uh, create post table migration. Okay, just open this file. Alright, migration contains a class definition with up and down method. Okay, up method uh, is run when the migration is executed to apply changes to the database, and the down method is run to revert the changes. Okay, if you need to update the database, you just create a new migration. Alright, inside the up function, this is the id column, and their type is big int. Okay, and also it's auto increment. Okay, and this is timestamp, which creates two column, created at and updated at. Okay, now add some more column. So just type here, uh, just press enter, and just type here dollar table arrow, and here column data type. Let's see, let's say data type is a string. Okay, then column name is title. Okay, and just create another column. Just type here table text is a data type. For column name body. Okay, now save the file. Now for migrate this migration, just execute the migrate artisan command. Before executing this artisan command, make some changes inside the database.php configuration file. So go to the project, and here just click on config folder, and database.php. Inside the MySQL array, just remove MB4 from here, and also from here. Now save the file. Okay, now go to the command prompt, and here just type php artisan migrate. Just press enter. Alright, now migrations are migrated. So let's see, go to the php myadmin, and just refresh this database, you can see here there are 5 tables. Okay, these 4 tables are by default, and this is the post tables. Okay, and this is the migration tables, which this table take care all of the migration table. Okay, and this is the post table, and you can see here all the column, which is ID, title, body, created at and updated at. Okay, and created at and updated at, which are coming from the time and stamp. Okay, now let's see the rolling back migration. So to roll back the latest migration operation, we can use rollback command. So just go to the command prompt and type here in command prompt, just type here php artisan migrate rollback. Okay, now press enter. Okay, now go to the php myadmin and just refresh the page. So just click here. You can see here only migration table is here. Okay, and other tables are removed from here because of the rollback migration command. Alright, now let's see the refresh migration. The migrate refresh command will roll back all your migration and then execute the migrate command. The command effectively recreates your entire database. So go to the command prompt and type here php artisan migrate refresh. Okay, just press enter. Alright, now go to the php myadmin and just refresh this database. Now you can see here all tables are recreated. Let's do one thing, just insert some record into the post table. So just open this table and click on insert and just type here some dummy records. Just let's say first post name is first post title. Okay, and here is first post description. Okay, now put here second post title and here second post description. Okay, now click on go. Alright, just browse this table. You can see here the first post title and second post title. Okay, first post and second post. Alright. Okay, now execute the migrate refresh command. So go to the command prompt and just type here php artisan migrate refresh. Okay, just press enter. Alright, now go to the php myadmin and just refresh the database. You can see all the tables are recreated, and inside the post table there is no any record. Okay, so in this way you can use migration in Laravel. So that's all about the migration. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. No, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.